Bandra is healing.
But
हर जगह काम
always healing. It's always. मुझे लगता है कि झगड़ा हुआ है कहीं.
I know.
Right.
Right? यहाँ है
Yeah.
आपका घर.
Yeah.
कितने साल रहे बैंड्रा में?
Man, 15 years.
Really? It's been that long?
Yeah.
And your house is so close to the beach.
Yeah. I mean, it's a very वो अलग ही है.
हाँ.
Also now with the family and everything, like we don't need much outside.
Yeah.
That's left. So Bandra, by the way, I've been in different spots.
Okay.
But the last one
Hmm.
was this building. It's an old building,
Right.
right opposite the park.
Achha. So you were dating Richa during the COVID period.
Yeah.
Like, was it like love at first sight for you, or?
I think I was a fanboy. Big time.
Oh,
big
okay.
fan. I'd not seen this kind of an actor. We met it for Grey, and then after that, slowly we got close, we got friendly. It's very organic, very different. Sometimes love is like, it's usually around you, and then there's this one day where it just hits you like a lightning. And you're like, holy shit, this was right here. This is, why did I waste time,
Yeah. Do you get out of the city, go for a long drive or anything like that? Yeah.
I go to town a lot. I mean, that's the max I would do now because, I literally start feeling homesick. I'm like, okay, now I'm on a schedule, right?
Are you serious? मतलब जुहू से?
नहीं वो ये नहीं है. वो now because my daughter is here.
Oh, right.
So she's on a schedule. So I can't go out for really long on my own,
Yeah.
Because we're always on her schedule now. Then I like sports. I like chilling with friends. We have different places. जैसे हिल रोड पे है Mount Mary steps and all. I still go there. Yeah. We hang sometimes,
Okay.
near Mount Mary Church.
Acha. You still do that though?
I still sometimes, just even when I'm alone, I'll just go and sit on my own.
You know, it's
sometimes.
interesting how you both talk about being alone and doing things, even though you guys are a couple. Last time Richa se jab baat hui, she said she still goes for her solo trips.
We do that.
Yeah.
I think it's important, right? Like, because we are such strong individuals, I feel that is necessary. Yeah, we don't like sort of seeping in and out of like our worlds into each other's and our problems and stuff. That we do. We share.
Yeah.
We are actors, so we are
Right.
bound to like talk to each other about things.
But great body of work, Ari. Bollywood, Hollywood, now South also. And I'm sure हमें तो सब एकदम hunky dory अच्छा सा लगता है. But you've had your own share of challenges. But Honda Elevate Signature Black Edition celebrates the journeys of those who push their boundaries और अंधेरे में भी अपनी चमक से शाइन करते हैं. So let's move on to a very special segment called Shine in Black. तो अभी आपको कितने साल हो गए in the industry?
15 years.
15 years?
14 years, yeah. 14 years, yeah.
Wow. What do you think has been the boldest step you've taken in this career?
Mirzapur, in fact, at the time that I took it, everybody was like, don't, we don't know that market. What is it?
Doing like a series.
Like
basically moving from films to.
Yeah, I
Okay.
just loved the story, and I'd seen. I think that time I'd just started my Hollywood.
Yeah.
Few things there.
Hmm.
So I'd seen what was working on the other side, and
Okay.
it was very rooted. It was a very grounded story,
And it did so well, yeah.
And it did well. An actor's life is filled with bold steps. The other option of that not bold step is a rejection.
Don't you think Mirzapur was really the shine in black moment? Because
Then
I
season
think
2, it became
Yeah.
like onwards. It was just like mad. It just reached every nook and corner. I mean, even the NRI world of
Yeah.
India, outside India, which is
Yeah.
actually one of the biggest populations of its kind, I think.
yeah.
But
और 4 आ रही है मिर्जापुर 4 का.
हमारी film आ रही
कब
है actually. We're working on the film now,
Oh.
which is going to be a first of its kind in India. A show turning into a film.